How to transfer photos from your phone to PS4. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, we're simply going to learn how we can actually transfer a picture or a particular photo from our mobile device to our PlayStation. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now remember that we're only talking in the context of picture and not photos, and we're talking how we can transfer from our phone to our PlayStation and not necessarily from PlayStation to our phone. If you want to watch that, you can watch our other video as well. The very first thing you can do is right over here you can see we don't have any options to actually import any type of thing from our phone as well. So the very easy thing which I'm going to show you without the use of any external device such as USB drive or pen drive is that all you have to do is you need to simply actually go over and then take over your phone right over here. The very first thing you want to do is simply make sure that you have actually downloaded this PlayStation app to your phone right over here. You can head over to your app store and download it. Once you've actually done that, what you want to do is simply open the app and make sure that you are logged in to the very same and the exact PlayStation account which is logged in on your PlayStation. So make sure it is actually the exact PSN account as well. Once you've actually made sure of that and logged into your account, what you could do is at the very top left hand side you can see this message like icon. Simply tap on the message like icon. So let me just go ahead and show you first of all. And what we want to do is actually send a photo to one of our friends right over here. It could be anybody, it could be your another ID, it doesn't necessarily have to be a real friend. All we have to do is actually go ahead and send a picture to any one of our friends. So as you can see, I have already actually sent a picture. However, if you want to repeat this process again, go ahead and simply select any of the photos which you might actually want to send to that particular person or which you want to transfer to your PlayStation. Once you've done that, go ahead and send this photo right over here. So you can see I've actually successfully sent this photo. Now all we have to do is hop out of our phone and then we want to actually come back to our PlayStation right over here. Once you do that, you can see a bunch of these options. At the very top, you have to go to the menu bar and here you'll find this option which says messages. Now remember that we told that we want to actually log into the same ID. So hit X once you see that and basically you'll actually be able to see this message which you actually just sent. If we open this message, you'll be able to see these two images which you actually sent from our phone. Now all we have to do is we have to simply select either one of these images right over here. Let's say I want to save this to my PlayStation. What I will do is now on your controller right over here, what you have to do is on the left hand side you can see this share icon. So all you have to do is actually simply press this share icon which you see, this share button on your PlayStation controller. Once you press the share button, you'll be able to see a bunch of these options, and right here at the second option you have this option which says screenshot, and all we have to do is in order to save this picture is simply hit X by selecting the screenshot option, and you can see the screenshot has actually been saved. Now if we go ahead and actually I will also show you whether it has actually been saved or not. Let me just go ahead and select my capture gallery, and once I go to my capture gallery you can see the photo which you actually just saved to our PlayStation. And this is actually a very easy way on how you can transfer photos from your phone to your PlayStation. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.